Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello,
Manu
I don't hear you. You are close to your mic.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
No, no. Unmute yourself. Yes,
Hi, ma'am.
welcome. Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. I am Sunny, ma'am.
Hello.
Jyoti ma'am, good evening ma'am. Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Jyoti, ma'am, your voice is cracking. Your voice is not
Yes,
clear.
Jyoti, your voice it's not proper. Maybe you have to remove your headphones. I can't understand you.
Your headphones are disturbing. You can remove them.
నేను వైశ్వ
Your
Evening to
voice
all.
it's not clear.
Hi, Jyoti ma'am.
Shreya, kindly keep your video on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Myself.
Actually, ma'am, today I'm facing a lot of net issues, so
Okay,
I'll.
okay. But you are the winner of GTN. People should know you.
Yes, ma'am.
Is my voice clear now?
Yes.
Okay. We'll start. We'll not wait for others. Yeah. Sukanya,
Ma'am.
you start with the prayer.
Yes ma'am, ready ma'am.
Ready, start.
Shuklam.
You stay fully.
Ma'am.
You start.
Shuklam Baradaram Vishnum Sasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyaye Sarvavidnopashantaye Akaja Anana Padmarkam Gajanana Maharnisham Anekadantam Bhaktanam Ekadanthamupasmahe Ekadanthamupasmahe.
So, warm welcome to everybody. Special thanks to Corina Madam, who's going to be the Global Champion Mentor today. And she's going to take us throughout the world without a passport. So I will not
Yes,
waste much of time. Over to Corina ma'am. Start. Hello Arya.
I want to take you with me
Yeah.
in my country today.
Shall I mute others, Corina?
I please let me share my screen.
Yeah, I'll allow you to speak. Done.
And let's go. Let's go to Romania today. I welcoming all of you to my country. This is my flag, blue, yellow, red, a symbol of my country. Here you have heraldic symbol of the state are part of the national identity. The current coat of arms was developed after the revolution of December 1989. The components of the national coat of arms of Romania include golden eagle crusade, central element, symbolizing the founding Basarab dynasty, the nucleus around which was organized the Romanian country, one of the three provinces of the Middle Ages, Wallachia, Moldova, and Transylvania. Shield on which it is azure symbolizes the sky. You may see azure, blue, the sky. The eagle hold in its talons the insignia of sovereignty, a scepter and sword, which remind ruler Stefan cel Mare and the Romanian ruler Mihai Viteazul, the first unifier of the Romanian countries. Romania is situated in the eastern part of Central Europe, and Bucharest is our capital. Here you see it's a map of Europe, and Romania is here. Regions in my country: Maramureș, here, Bucovina, next, Crișana, Transylvania, one of the biggest regions in my country. Moldova is the part of the country where I am living, next to this city, Iași. Banat, here, Wallachia and Dobroja, and here it's Black Sea. Bucharest, it's Romanian capital and at the same time the largest industrial and commercial city center of the country.
Hello.
Bucharest is the sixth city in population in the European Union, with a population of almost 2 million inhabitants. The first mention of locality appears in 1459. In 1859, it became the capital of Romania. Since then, undergoes constant changes, being the arts scene, culture, and media. Between the two world wars, Bucharest has elite, elegant architecture and has brought the nickname Little Paris. Currently, the capital has the same administrative level as a county and is divided into 6 sectors. Welcome plus relaxation plus Romania, a trio exemplified by many other fascinating places in our country, both creation of nature and man-made. Here you will see caves, cascades, lakes, Danube Delta, monasteries, castle, museums. And here's some image, because Cave, it's one of the most nice cave in my country. Santana Lake, the only lake in Romania formed in the crater of an extinct volcano. The Red Lake and bigger waterfall is wonderful. Scărișoara Cave, which houses the world's second largest underground glacier. Peleș Castle, a fairy tale castle, and Bran Castle also. Peleș Castle in Sinaia, the summer residence of the King of Romania, was built at the wish of King Charles I, first king of Romania. Peleș Castle is located in Sinaia Prahova Valley. The castle has 160 rooms and several entrances and staircase. Central tower measuring not less than 66 feet tall. In addition, Peleș itself, is the area have been erected 2 smaller facilities, Pelișor and Watch Tower. Bran Castle. Initially, the Bran Castle was a fortress of temporary military purpose. Then the city has been transformed into a castle in 1920 when it was owned by Queen Mary. Bran Castle is built on a rock in a key strategic point of view. The currently housed Bran Museum. The museum covers 4 floors of the castle. It is known as the residence of Dracula in Romania. And I am sure you hear about Dracula. He is Dracula. Or Vlad III, Dracula, was born in the town of Sighișoara. He was the second son of Vlad II Dracula, the Prince of Wallachia in present-day Romania. The nickname, the nickname of Vlad Dracula, Dracul, means either devil or dragon. Bram Stoker found inspiration for his book about Count Dracula in the life of Vlad III, the Impaler of Wallachia. There, in my country, are also many resorts in which various diseases of the human body are treated. By their positioning, the endowment, they also offer through relaxation. And you have some pictures here, băile Călimănești, băile Herculane, Herculane Băi, băile Slănic Moldova, and băile Felix. Also there, you might find a variety of places for relaxation in Romania. Our mountains are not, oh, sorry. I don't know how to go back. Another source of health and relaxation is the Black Sea coast, where Romania has its outpost with the marine climate, the water of Tequirghiol, and you may see here the Tequirghiol Lake, natural aerosols, the Black Sea, and the beach and water, the valuable spring with sulfuric water. The Danube in Romania, the Romanian part of Danube, it's 1,075 kilometers long, which is the longest segment of the river within a single country. Its landscapes change from the steepest cliffs to broad and peaceful plains until it reaches the Black Sea. Just before the end of its journey, the Danube divides into an expansive delta, the Danube Delta, second largest and best preserved delta in Europe. The Danube Delta is the only delta in the world that has been declared to be the Biosphere Reserve. Here live endangered animal species, the otter, the pelican, the dwarf cormorant, the red-necked goose, increases by about 40 square meters per year. And you may see some pictures from Delta. It's very, very nice. I visit here previous years. Another interesting thing in my country is the Happy Cemetery in Maramureș, famous for the crosses of the vivid colored tombs and naive paintings representing scenes from the life and occupation of the inhabited persons. On some crosses, there are even verses in which the person are mentioned, often with humorous nuances. The Palace of Culture, Iași, Moldavia, it's very near to my city, 100 kilometers, and very impressive building. The Palace of Culture, Romanian Palatul Culturii, is one of the largest buildings of Romania, located in the city Iași, northeastern Romania. The Palace of Culture in Iași is the main attraction point of the Moldavian capital. The famous building sheltered 4 museums: the Moldavian Museum of History, the Moldavian Museum of Ethnography, the Museum of Art, and Museum of Science and Technology. It's very, the last one, it's very nice for children to see. I has previous, maybe 2 years before, a group of children from 4 countries, and I took them here and I was amazed by this museum. Romania, a fascinating place where the primordial elements of nature, water, air, and earth are found in the purest form. And in it, Huș, a small kid town with an old city air but flared. Huș is my city, and I welcome you here in my city. In a corner of nature is located my city, Huș. Huș is a municipality in Vaslui County. It is near the eastern border of Romania with about 26,000 inhabitants. Here you may see a panorama of my city and Schimbarea la față monastery. The history of the city is closely related to that of the vineyards that have watered it for centuries, but also, yeah, there was something, I don't know why this is here, so I can't read. It is surrounded by hills occupied by vineyards, which has attracted the name of the city between vineyards. Dobrina Forest delights you with its pleasant and fresh air and the outskirts of the city. I look forward to you coming to visit my wonderful country. Thank you. Thank you.
Corina, thanks a lot. Can we go through the slides so that we explain to the students individually? Because many of them don't understand English.
Okay.
So I will be talking with them.
Okay.
And there's also another language which is used. They are from the rural part. So Sukanya, you will help me, or Gayatri will help me. So we are talking about the country called, the name is Romania. Romania. Mahir and Mir, what is the name of this country? What is the name of the country?
Romania.
Romania. Very good. What are the colors on the flag?
Blue. Ma'am, we are same.
Okay, very good. Then what is this eagle that you are seeing? Divya, are you there? Gayatri?
Ma'am, the ma'am is not there.
Okay.
Yes,
Gayatri, you will explain in Telugu to them, okay? So what is the symbol of the country? They are having eagle. Okay. And then there is a shield. Blue color is called the shield. Right? Like in India, we have the 4 lions. Gayatri, now you explain to them in Telugu.
Sure, okay.
Yeah. We are using 2-3 languages.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Gayatri.
Can I move?
Yeah, next slide. So here you can see the world map, and the color which is colored here for Romania is which color?
Red.
Red. So we are
Europe.
talking in Europe, it is there. Okay. Next slide. And which is the capital of Romania? It starts with letter B.
Bukovina.
Can you just go back to the previous slide, please?
Bucharest.
Bucharest. See this spelling? B-U-C-H-A-R-E-S-T. Bucharest. And like India is divided into so many states, here also we are having the states, regions. Corina ma'am, can you just read out these names? They will say after you.
Maramureș.
You can say after her. Maramureș.
Bucovina.
Bukovina.
Crișana. Transilvania. Moldova. Banat. Valahia.
Valachia,
and Dobroja.
Dobroja.
Proja.
Okay, next slide. So this is the capital of the country. And this is like Paris.
It's Parliament Palace.
This is the Parliament Palace. In Hyderabad, we have like that. This is the government buildings. Next, please. Now they are getting interested. And see what a beautiful place it is. Can you see which all lakes are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read out? Vikaski, that is a bending road like this. It's going up and down and up and down. Okay. Then what are the other places?
Because K, one of the most beautiful road in the world, and we have also Transfiguration. Maybe you hear about, or you may read in Google. It's amazing.
Okay.
Many
So
people
how is the road? It is bending, like how we are going Matheran?
No. It's
not bending.
Mountains are here.
Okay, mountains.
Like a ring road.
Like a ring road. Then you can see which lake?
Red Lake.
Red Lake. Which is the waterfall?
Bigger waterfall.
Bigger waterfall. And where is one more lake over there? Yes, Divya's students are doing good. And which other lake we can see?
Saint Lake. Saint Anna.
Saint Anna. Very good. So 4 things we have seen. Next slide, please. Ah, this is so beautiful.
Yes, it's amazing.
You can see the ice coming down and ice going like this. They are thick pillars of ice. Divya, can you translate in Telugu?
Yes, ma'am. ఇది సొరంగం అంటారు కదా అలా ఉంది
Correct.
భూమి లోపల హోల్.
So you can see the ice, very thick it is. If you go to Amarnath, you will find like this. They're called icicles, stalactites and stalagmites.
Ice is converting into water, right, ma'am?
Sorry?
Ice is converting into water.
Yes, ice is converted into water later. It's a glacier basically. It is basically a glacier which is moving down, and in the tunnel it forms big blocks of ice. So I'm also learning from here, Karina. It is an underground lake, but it looks like the underground glacier.
Yeah.
And a glacier, yes, it is underground. A glacier is a big mass of ice which is moving. Spelling for glacier: G-L-A-C-I-E-R. Okay, next please. Who wants to go to this place?
Me, ma'am.
Me, ma'am. Okay.
I would like to go.
Castle, you will meet Dracula.
And there is one story of Dracula you have seen. Black face, he will drink blood and big teeth, Rakshasa. So this was the castle. On the basis of this, they made the story. Divya, translate.
పురాణం కథలు ఉంటాయి కదా, పురాణాల్లో ఒక ఏమంటారు, ఒక రాక్షసుడు ఒక రాణిని బంధిస్తారు కదా, అలాంటి ప్యాలెస్ ఇది.
And it will be very scary.
భయంకరమైనది.
Next slide, please.
డ్రాకులా సినిమాలో ఉంది కదా దివ్య ఇది.
Dracula సినిమాలో ఉంది. And this is also a castle, a big palace. Raja will be there, Rani will be there. We can go there and play. Vastunara?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes.
రెసిడెన్సీ బాగుంటుంది.
This is another castle where Dracula was. Bran Castle.
ఇప్పటికీ కూడా పిల్లలు గుర్తుపడతారు మ్యామ్ డ్రాకులా అంటే.
Dracula
అంత ఫేమస్ మ్యామ్.
అంత ఫేమస్.
అవును మ్యామ్.
అవునా? Okay, next. I think now all are involved.
And he is Dracula.
He is Dracula.
Dracula.
He's nice. Next, please. Who will make sound of Dracula? Like that sound will come. And these are special places where spa, massage. Massage, okay,
Spa
Divya?
cen-
Yes, spa.
Spa center.
Yeah, Corina ma'am, can you tell them how to read these places? Bail.
How to?
How
Sorry.
much will have to pay for?
How much to pay? I don't know. It's not very much. Depends. No, but you may find here or around the places. You may find a hotel with not a very big.
Okay,
Nice.
so that will be very interesting. I'll just, okay, next one.
Mountains.
Wow.
Or country.
Don't they look so beautiful?
So beautiful, ma'am.
So beautiful.
Here it's Transfiguration.
So we all can go for holiday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Evaru vastunaru?
Me, ma'am.
Arya, who is coming from Pune? Professor Muncher is coming with us.
I
You're
love
very
beaches, ma'am.
You're very silent, sir.
I can't see who is here.
Yeah, he's there. He's there. I'll add him to
Yes,
spot.
I would be happy to join you.
Yeah,
Definitely.
you're coming with us, not to the beach.
Yes,
Yes, but
So many people will be liking, ma'am.
I am backing my bag.
Okay, great.
to come here, you must wait till June. Because now it's minus 10 degree in my country.
Oh, so
It's very
cold.
cold.
And what is the name of the sea? Please read the sea.
Black
Sea.
Black Sea. And there are a lot of marine life, fish, octopus, starfish, anemones, so many are there. Next, please. And it has very special waters, sulfuric waters. So all your body disease will go off. Okay, this is a river in Romania, in Europe, called Danube. In India, which rivers we have?
Ganga,
Let the students tell.
Narmada, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada.
Very
Ganga
good.
is very famous, ma'am.
Ganga is very famous. So in Romania, it is Danube. Spelling?
Australia is also
Danube
conducting, ma'am.
cross, Danube cross 7 countries.
Danube crosses 7 countries. So spelling for Danube,
D-A-N-U-B-E.
Okay. What is a delta? Delta is a piece of a triangle. Can you see my triangle? My hand triangle. It will form a land like this. All the rivers and they will form a triangle. There it will be very, very fertile. And lot of birds will be there. Lot of fauna will be there. Flora will be there. You can see beautiful Hamsa Pakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Beautiful swan. Which goddess will come in Hamsa? Which goddess will come in Hamsa Pakshi?
Saraswati.
Saraswati. Saraswati. So Saraswati is like this. So can you see the lotus?
Yeah.
Even in your village you
Yes,
have.
ma'am.
Yes. So which is the name of the
Yeah.
river?
Yeah.
I forgot the name of the river.
Ma'am?
Oh, I don't know. Teachers, coaches will not tell.
Danube.
Pillaru. Coaches మీరు చేస్తారు.
Ma'am, once again.
పిల్లరు ఆ పేరేనే నాది పేరు
ఏది మేడం?
మీరు కోచెస్ వద్దు.
Danube.
I forgot spelling. I forgot the spelling. What is the spelling?
D-A-N-U-B-E.
Very good. Next slide, please. Now this is very nice place. This is called
Really
Symmetry.
amazing. Yeah.
Symmetry is a place. Divya, listen, then you will have to tell them. This is a place where people who are dead will be buried, and they have made it so beautiful. Sometimes pictures are there. Sometimes about the person jokes are also put. Okay, Divya, cheppo. Samadhi.
సమాధి మ్యామ్. ఎవరు చనిపోయిన తర్వాత వాళ్ళని అక్కడ పూడ్చుతారు. సో వాళ్ళ మెమరీ అది.
Yes, and వాళ్ళ memory unnaru, and lot of jokes are also put. So like
Yeah.
Brahmanandam jokes are put.
They've written in that
They have written in the stones. Yes.
Yeah.
Symmetry spelling. Who will read out? C
R
C E M E. Can you read? C E.
CEMETERY.
Nikita will tell. C E M E.
CEMETERY.
Excellent. Our children are very good children. Next. One more castle. Can you see the castle? Palace. Raj Mahal. Who is the king there? Raja unnara?
Vankusa was the king here of
The
Moldavia.
king was called Vankusa. What is the spelling for the palace? The palace of culture. Of culture. Culture spelling?
CULTURE. Culture.
And what is the name of the place? IASI. What is the name of the place?
IASI.
So ఎవరు పోతున్నారు ఇక్కడ? Who wants to go? అచ్చా నేను వస్తున్నారా? We are all go. Yes, very good. Next destination should be Palestine.
I already booked my ticket for that.
Okay. Okay, this is another place, beautiful place.
Fantastic place, ma'am.
Yes, fantastic place. It's a small town called Husi. What is the spelling?
U
Yes, I.
H-I. Very good. Next. One more. See the thing? There is a monastery. Monastery spelling M-O-N-A-S-T-R-Y. Monastery where all the monks will be there. Sadhus will be there. Evarunnade?
Sanyasulu.
Sadhu sannyasulu unnadi. Next.
Saints.
Yes, saints. And here you can see 4 pictures. One is a museum, 2 museums, then one church, cathedral, C-H-A, spelling C-H-A, sorry, C-A-T-H-A, cathedral, it is a church. Okay, and this is a restaurant where we can go and drink wine.
Vineyard house.
Vineyard. Okay? Wine. Kavalya?
You may taste wine.
Meeku kavala? Next. Okay, see the beautiful vineyards?
So nice, ma'am.
So nice. Yes, next please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now there is a forest. Anulo, jungle unnadi. Adavulu. We can go and have our next meeting there. Family day.
Yes, ma'am.
Family day we will have. Okay, next.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, please. Rashiv, are you there? Rashiv, Arya, Akshaya, are you all there? So, yes, wonderful.
So beautiful, ma'am.
So beautiful. So,
all the places.
yes. Can
Any
everybody?
chance? Definitely we are coming, ma'am.
Oh my God.
I'm waiting for you, all of you.
Can
In my
everybody
dream, ma'am.
welcome Marina? She's come, joined us. Aisha has joined us. Ilam Yaunis has joined. Can everybody switch on your video? So we'll take a picture. Immediately, fast. We don't have much time.
Fast.
Fast. Akshaya, how are you, beta? Mamtaz, salam alaikum.
Jyoti, ma'am.
You're taking
మీరు
a...
పర్మిషన్ ఇస్తే నేను భోగి శుభాకాంక్షలు చెప్దాం అనుకుంటాను, మ్యామ్.
Okay. Okati vinta. She wants to say something very nice. One more teacher has also joined. Everybody switch on your video fast. Anbaragan, switch on your video, please. We want to take a picture. Prashiv, sit down. Prashiv. So, Divya, are you taking a picture? Anbaragan, we want you to switch on the video because we want to take a picture, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody switch on. Akshaya, see my students with their heart.
Yes.
I will also put a heart. Okay. Yes. Shall I take one picture? Everybody click. Smile. Anbaragan, very good boy. Yes. Ilamonis, I'm taking, then don't blame me if your picture is not there. Everyone smile. 1 minute. Yes. Smile, everyone. Super. Good. Super. Yes. Now, Sukanya, coach, she wants to say something. Yes, Sukanya. Chapama.
Happy Bogi, all of you.
Same to you. I wish you the same.
Happy Lori.
Ma'am,
We have Bogi and Lori. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
this festival is very famous in our India, ma'am.
Yes, I know about this festival.
Farmers festivals.
It's a
Can you
farmer
share
festival.
something about
Yes.
the Lori?
The,
How do you celebrate?
In Lori, it is celebrated in the north of the country. It is very cold there, harvest festival, and we all thank the sun god. In south also, it's a south festival of the harvest. So, and then from today, the sun moves from directions. It changes its direction, and the warmth of the sun is received by the earth. So it is celebrated throughout India with lot of, we make a special dish out of it. Basically, when you eat it, you get lot of warmth. So we depend a lot on nature, and it's a festival of joy as usual. And we have a lot of fun. There is a lot of kite flying, which takes place. And now people have become responsible and they play kite with very careful this thing. So
I
it's,
want to be there today.
oh, next year probably.
Next
And-
year, maybe.
Yeah, and India has a lot of festivals every
Yeah,
month.
I know.
Every month you have at
Every
least
month
4
we
5.
celebrated.
Some
Nearly
people,
you-
yeah.
Do
I
you know
used to
some people
celebrate-
in my country start to celebrate some Indian festivals?
Okay, great.
I used to celebrate kites flying when I was in Baroda also.
Yeah, it was very famous. We have a mother
Yeah.
with us, Prashiv's mom.
Hello, ma'am.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
We have this kite flying over here right now. All the kids are flying
Can
kites.
you just show the camera if it is
Yes,
possible,
of course,
so they'll
of
have a
course.
nice, there it is.
Yes. It's like
Gujarat
this.
is very famous. So,
Yes.
and this
Wonderful.
festival brings lot of positivity to the people, because winter goes off and summer begins.
Correct.
So it
Correct.
brings lot of positivity.
Yes,
And
yes.
I would
You
like,
will find all Indian are on the terrace now.
yes, all Indian.
It's because of that shifting of the sun. So
At
we'll
the
get the
moment of the
sunlight.
sun.
So we'll get that sunlight, like, good
So
rays and
vitamin D comes for every person.
correct.
Okay. Thank you, Vaishali, for coming. Professor Mamtaz, Ilam Yunus, Shakia Salame. It was good that everybody came. And then, wonderful. Mahir and Mir, you're very happy. I think I will ask questions next time. Arya, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to wish everyone happy Bhogi
Thank you. And Mir and Mahir, you want to say something?
Makar Sankranti in advance, ma'am.
Sorry?
And happy Bhogi and Makar Sankranti in advance.
Makar
ma'am.
Sankranti also. Marina,
ma'am.
you just stay there. We'll take a picture of you.
And ma'am,
Happy Makar Sankranti. 1 minute.
invited.
You
Where we
all
are-
are invited
We are invited for what?
for kite flying, Makar Sankranti
Okay.
celebration.
Hello, Prashi.
Say hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Say Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. How
Kim?
are you?
Fine. Came show tame? Majama? Majama chu. So we are meeting is going to end. We'll meet again many more times. Thank you, Corina ma'am. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Last question. What is the river in the country? Who will tell me? Of Romania. Fast.
Ah,
Name of the river.
Dubai.
The coaches will not tell. D-A